yung bag na bag. Ito lang yung dinala kong bag, tsaka yung malaking travel bag. Para malagyan ko ng laptop. Dali natin to. And then, ito. Then, itong perfume. Regalo to sa akin ni Sisi. Mars. Okay. Nag-inom tayo. Take na natin yung ating Sip to Glow na collagen drink. Bitin ako dito sa isa. Ang sarap niya. Okay, we're good. Hindi ko ito na. Okay. Very easy dyan. Beautiful na naman ang tawag niya sa kanyang anak na babae. Okay. Eto, iniram ko lang to kay Holly. Hindi ko na sinauli. Okay. Ah, shades. Yung shades natin is from Sunnies. Okay. Ano ba tayo? I think we're good. And dalhin ko yung ating ano sa car. Eto. Lagay natin dun sa nirent natin na car. Yan. Yan, nasaan yung ito. Huwag natin itong makakalimutan dun pag sinauli natin yung car. Wallet. Lagyan ng shade. Power bank. Okay, ano pa ba? Wala na. Alright, we're good. And ayos ko na yung bed namin pala bago ako naligo. And alam niyo ba, chinek ko yung room ng mga bata. May kita ko talaga kung sino yung masinap sa kwarto. Kaya na mag-judge. Your towel? Si Sak. Tingnan niyo. Inayos niya agad yung kanyang bed. And ayan yung kanyang bag. Si Kuya, tingnan niyo.
This is my good luck. My good luck one.
Ito yung kay Kuya. You didn't fix your bed, yeah? Ah, you did. Pero hindi niya yan inayos. Pero andyan yung kalat niya. Ayan. Kalat ni Kuya. Si Sak. Look at you. You're messy already here. Huh? And ang ganda ng pa-ladder niya dyan. Si Holly. Ayan. Ayun na yung towel. Kanina sa bed. Ayun na. Ayan si Mushi. Ah, ito yung ano. Do you have light here? Ayan. Kasi nung pinako to, minatch-match ko na siya. So, hinangin niya kaninang madaling araw.
These are where my swimsuit, undies, and socks are, pants, t-shirts, and jumpers.
Oh, ayan. Organize niya na yung kanyang closet for 9 days or 10 days. Alright.
I'm going to bring Mushi.
Okay.
Will I need jumper?
Di ba naka-shades na ako? Ayan yung ano yung pool.
Look at that.
Johnny Boy. Look at Johnny Boy. Ayan yung pool. Hindi ko pa yung nakikita in person. Sa labas ba? Hindi pa. Ngayon lang. Sabay-sabay tayong nakita yan dyan. Nakita ko yan sa picture. Tapos ayan yung neighbors natin. Oh. Okay. Here. Here, Holly. There. Para twinning kaming dalawa. I have to charge this one.
Mushi.
And your shade is... Borrow my shade. Kasi kasha na. Ah, you have one? Ah, okay. You don't want this?
I'm good.
It's up to you. You can borrow that one.
Wait, let me check the other ones.
Meron na pala siya. Prepare pala siya.
Yeah, I'm prepared. What one do I look better with? I think this one.
The same. Both. But that one you can wear that one. It looks nice. Okay, let's go. Daddy's waiting na there. Okay.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Let's go.
Twinning, come here.
Twinning.
Hindi pa natin napuntan yung pool. Diretso tayo dito sa car.
There's been there, but
Yeah, later na, Han. Kasi yung makas ko, doon ko lang muna nilagay. Ayun pala yung pin. Ayan yung mga neighbors natin. For 10 days or 9 days. First gala dito sa Brisbane. Ayan yung river. Lagay natin dyan yung ating hindi pa ang baba kasi. Kailangan ko yung i-adjust. Hindi nyo na makita. And may ginawa na agad yung dalawa. Si Sak may tama dito ng bola. Hindi pa nga nagsisimula yung laro. Si Sak meron na ditong malaking red mark. Sabi ko take it easy. Pero alam niyo naman mga boys, kahit anong salita mo mapapagano ka. Kaya hindi ako nakapunta sa pool kasi nga yung dalawa. Why? You don't wanna look. It's a bit windy, ha? Look. Ang ganda ng mga palm trees nila, oh. Ganyan. O, diba? Adjust ko ulit kayo. Ayan ba, oh. People are lucky living here. They always have this weather, even during the winter. But for us, look at that. They're foodie. Girl. Rugby. But it looks like foodie.
Mum, do you know I'll be playing in the rain?
Huh?
You know it'll be raining.
When?
After Tuesday and all that.
Tuesday?
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Not Tuesday.
Thursday,
Thursday,
Oh,
sir.
only Thursday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
So, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
So we got to verse Victoria in the rain.
Sobrang, yes, so, uulan, windy. So, magkakaroon tayong pangit na weather, sayang. Ang ganda sana ganito lagi, no? Every day. Kasi ilang araw lang kami dito. But, wag na tayo mag-complain kasi today is a beautiful day. Solomon's Flooring. Queensland RV, Willow RV. They have brand Willow RV. They have a lot of home furniture. So, how far are we from the foodie? 20 minutes? Do you wanna go there and look? No. Ayaw. Bukas na lang. Wala naman kasi kaming gagawin today. So, maglo-look around lang tayo.
Speed limit camera ahead.
Dad, does it feel weird
What?
just sitting down like this? Well, we'd be bigger than that car.
Ang baba kasi ng car. So, yung mga cars na nasa tabi namin, mga lalaki. So, para kami ganun talaga. Ang baba. Yung parang taxi sa Pinas. Ganon. So, first time ni Jan mag-drive na ganito.
Why is everyone wearing their state stuff, even today?
Where?
Because that's a representative sack. That's why you have that one to wear.
I'm not wearing it around here.
Why not? Kasi sa Facebook page, yung mga tao nag-travel sila papunta dito, naka-jacket ng state. Si Sak ayaw niya talaga. Sabi ko, suotin mo para remembrance ba na nag-travel ka dito dahil diyan sa sa state football. So kaya sila may mga gear na ganun. At saka mahal-mahal pa naman ng mga gamit nila. And alam niyo ba, aside sa mahirap makapasok sa state kasi 'di ba, ilang bata ang nag-try out. So bago kami na-invite para mag-try out si Sak, meron silang sinad na email na if ever makuha ang anak nyo, sagot nyo lahat ng cost. So lahat to walang ambag yung SA. Parents talaga yung gagastos lahat. Ang binigay lang nilang libre is What free we get from SA Han State? Hat and 1 socks. That's it. Yun lang yung free. The rest, kayo na ang bahala. Kayo lahat ang gagastos. Kaya magastos ang sports in general. Lahat. Kahit yung sa footy club, may registration din yon. Tapos yung uniform nyo. Basta lahat ng sports magastos. Lalo na etong ngayong kaysa. Kasi syempre, nag-fly. Tapos yung accommodation mo, pagkain nyo everyday.
What are we doing for today?
Oh, so, speaking of the pagkain, nagtatanong na sila anong dinner. So yeah, but we are thankful kasi si Sak, ginawa niya ang lahat para makapasok dito. And the rest, si Daddy na ang bahala. Thank you, Daddy. So kaya nandito tayo. And thank you for Zachary kasi ano talaga siya, pursigido. And pinatunayan niya pa sa amin na hindi lang siya sa sport nag-excel, pati rin sa kanyang mga subjects. So school. Tahimik nito si Sang, as in, tahimik yan. Tahimik siya. Kahit sa school, pag pinapatawag kami, akala namin ang loud niya kasi grabe ito sa bahay. Siya yung parang manok. Mabunganga ba? Marason. Pero sa school hindi. Si Jan pa nga nagsasabi, lakasan mo nga ang boses mo, hindi namin ikaw marinig. Tinanong ni Jan yung teacher, hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko sa inyo. Ganyan siya magsalita dito, yung hindi mo siya marinig. Tapos marami siyang ideas. Marami talaga siya, nakikipag, si Sak talaga pag alam niyang tama siya, at saka pag hindi niya naintindihan, tatanungin ganyan. Tapos sa tanong na yan, pag may sagot, may tanong siya. So ganyan si Sak, ever since nung bata siya, ganyan talaga siya. Kung nanonood kayo ng vlog sa akin noon, baka na-notice nyo na matanong siya. Tapos sasagot, kahit si Jan, pag nasagot na may tanong ulit siya, Golf World. Kuya, may malaki silang dito, hindi nyo nga makita. Ayan. Kunin ko kayo. Wala na. Hindi nyo na nakita. Ayun, wala na. Sorry. Dapat mabilis tayo dito. Ang daming shops. Shopping shops. Home shops. Ang dami. Ayan na. Bathrooms. Lights. Ang dami. Pero hindi tayo magsha-shop. Hindi tayo magsha-shopping. Na district. Hi. Oh. Huh? It's not good? Yeah, it's good. Yeah. May bahay kasing nasa gitna. Hindi naman gitna. Sa tubig mismo. Ang ganda. Sabi ko, is that good? Or is that bad? River. Mululaba. Shine Highway. Hiya. Say good morning, Kuya. Ito na. Ito si Holly. 21 minutes yan nasa vlog natin kasi get ready with me siya. Yeah, they're a bit far. And yung iba pala, bago kami nakabook na kami nung na-receive namin yung group chat na
traffic.
Yeah, it's so traffic. Wait lang.
Wait, Maroochydore is Sunshine Coast.
Yeah, it's Sunshine Coast. Traffic. So yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, na-book na namin yung accommodation namin nung nalaman namin kung saan si Sak lalaro. Nag-book agad si Jan bago pa kami pumunta ng holiday. Na-book na yun. Yeah. And naka-receive kami ng message sa group chat kung sinong gustong mag-Airbnb na kasama ang ibang pamilya para raw isahan na lang and para mas cheaper. Kami 5, so nagsabi kami tapos na kami mag-booking, so hindi namin alam yung iba kung nakakuha. Yung iba kasi, meron ding family dito, pero 45 minutes away. So, magta-travel sila everyday 45 minutes away. Kasi, medyo may kamahalan din kasi yung mga accommodation dito. So, yung iba yun, nag-ano sila, parang nag-share-share sila. Kami pwede na makishare, pero ang laki naman, 5 kasi kami. Kung si Jan lang siguro, tsaka si Sak ang magta-travel, baka, hindi ko rin alam kasi ito, ano din to. Depende. Siguro kung kasama niya si Dan, oo, pero syempre bago pa lang namin makakakilala yun. Baka hindi rin to. So, yes, yung iba, nag-ano sila, sa isang bahay, nag-rent, Airbnb din, tapos share sila. Yung iba malapit doon sa ano, kung saan maglalaro. What's this? Is this where you're going? No.
I thought it was that way.
Wrong way. Tapos maraming nag-share kung saan mas mura ang ano, nag-abang sila ng dates ng magmumura yung flight.
So there's not many.
So nag-abang. Si Jan kasi nag-book talaga to agad-agad nung ano na nalaman namin. Para pag holiday namin, okay na, wala na siyang iisipin. And then, pag uwi namin, pag uwi namin, nasa ano kami noon, saan pa kami yung last, sa Melbourne, naka-receive siya ng message na kinancel yung aming accommodation dahil may nagli-leak daw doon sa ano, sa Airbnb na yun, sa bahay na yun. So bayad na yun, so mayroon siyang sinend sa amin kasi yung una naming binook, maganda rin, as in ang ganda niya, may ano din, may pool, tapos maganda yung ano, yung ang tawag na yung setup ng pool, maganda siya, tapos may mga kahoy-kahoy, basta ang ganda niya, para kang nasa ano talaga yung parang holiday resort ang vibe nung nakuha na accommodation ni Jan na una. So nabayaran na yun, tapos etong accommodation na na-book namin na una, nag-send siya na ibang ano, kasi late na yun eh, July na kami nakauwi, diba? July na ba kami nakauwi, no? Yeah, July 1st or July 2nd. Nawawala tayo, ba?
That's not taking me, bloody. Where's that taking me?
I don't know. Where are we going?
At the traffic lights, turn left on the Sunshine Coast Parade.
You said Maroochydores. Where I'm here now. Pero iba, parang ano to, construction area. Hindi pa tapos ang mga buildings. So, yun, na-cancel niya. Tapos may nag-send siya ng maraming accommodation na may pool na magaganda. Isa to. Tapos, sinend ni Jan yung gusto niyang accommodation doon sa kung saan una kami nagpabook. Tapos siya yung nagbook para siya na magbayad. Kasi nabayaran na namin siya. So, siya yung nag-organize na nito. Sinend lang namin kung ano yung gusto naming Airbnb. Kasi marami siyang sinend, ang gaganda din.
Ocean.
Pero ito yung mas maganda.
Right in the middle of Maroochydore there on the front. I'm not turning left there because there's nothing there. I'll go down this road.
500 meters, turn right onto Plaza Parade.
Ayaw niyang sundan. Nililito siya nito.
Yeah, I want to go along the front, PJ. You should see it all there.
Why does it
Si
tell
Kuya
you
na
go
lang
somewhere?
sabi ko sa inyo.
It's all red.
Oh, it's traffic. It means traffic if it's red.
It's like all red the whole way.
What's today? Sunday.
Sunday, that's right.
Yeah, because family day. Everyone's going shopping or sightseeing.
There's like
And-
a plaza.
And then lahat ng ano, 7 states ang nandito. Well, 6 states kasi exempted na yung ano, Queensland. Kasi makakalaban din nila yung Queensland. So 6 states na nag-travel papunta dito. Tapos may kasama pa yun ng family. Oh, madami din
Just keep
sila.
heading on this front.
Well, 23 kids plus family kami.
And then you get into like
Isa sa player, 5 ang kasama. So hindi rin natin alam yung iba kung may kasama na ibang family. So medyo busy dito. Nung nalaman talaga namin first yung kung saan, nag-book agad kami kasi syempre pag tinagal-tagalan mo po, mas lalong mamahal pa yung mga accommodation kasi dito gaganapin yung event na yun, yung championship. So kaya eto, dali hanap agad talaga siya nung nasa yung email na dito kayo maglalaro, itong date, then yeah. So kung paano kung na-cancel sa hindi yan magka-cancel kasi fix na yan kung saan sila
Do you want to go to the bank?
maglalaro. Kasi last year sa Geelong, mas
That's a
maganda.
dead end, is that?
Mas maganda last year sa Geelong.
It has that dead
Kasi ano lang, magdadrive lang tayo ng 5
Yeah,
hours.
that's alright. Let's go this
For
one.
enough
see
to
what
5
happens.
hours. Tapos malapit lang sa atin.
There's like a
Pero
big plaza.
ang lamig doon.
Yeah, we want
Yun yung laging
what,
malamig.
boulevard
Ang Victoria
sort of thing.
malamig lagi.
Yeah, that's going all the red lawns.
So parang every year sa iba-ibang states sila pumupunta. And we are lucky dito tayo. At least nakita natin tong lugar na to. Short holiday na rin. Short holiday na rin siya. Para sa atin. Sa amin. Kasi laging malamig dun sa amin. Di ba? Ang daming nag-walking. Wala akong dinalang pang-walking. Ang bango ng perfume na Ilio, guys. Kung gusto nyong fresh lang, tapos
That
hindi
must be all right. Works along there. Right,
hindi
yeah.
masakit sa ulo. Ilio is good. Diptyque Ilio yung ano, Ilio yung scent. Yung brand is Diptyque. Tapos yung buko pa. So si sir, bangong-bango dito pag ginaganong-ganon ko kanina. Pag siya. Kasi nga mahaba. Maganda rin kasi pag ganito talaga siya. Pero gusto ko na kasi din magpagupit pero aside sa walang oras ayaw niya pa. Okay, traffic guys, tingnan niyo. Hindi ba itataas ko kayo? Dito pa rin tayo guys, traffic kasi. Si sir hindi na masaya. Gusto niya nang bumalik. Sabi ko maganda ang kasi sabi niya, this is place. Sabi ko, Han, it's not. Hindi siya pangit na place. Hindi lang natin alam ang magandang way papunta doon. Kasi yung sa map, lahat traffic as in. Tapos lahat red. Kung makita mo yung map, red talaga lahat kahit saan. Si kuya nga sumuko din. Pag ilang beses na kami pabalik-balik. Tapos gusto niya na lang lumabas, umalis dito. Ayaw niya kasi ng traffic kasi alam niyo naman kung saan kami, di ba? Doon nga nata-traffic na siya. Ayaw niya sa mga kasi medyo traffic na yun sa kanya kasi noon daw hindi. Sabi ko syempre nung panahon mo hindi pa ganun kadaming tao, wala pang masyadong immigrant. Tapos sabi ko ngayon, ang dami nang nanganganak. So syempre dumadami ang tao. Tapos ako, dinala mo pa, nakadagdag pa ako. Hindi naman ako taga-Australia, pero nandito ako dahil asawa mo ako. So, diba? So, kung maraming Australian or other nationality na dinala akong family dito, talaga magiging busy. Lalo na dito, ang ganda ng weather. Maluluba. Ayan, maluluba. Okay, we're good. We're in the highway. Okay guys, nasa highway na tayo. Oh, diba? Taas ko ulit kayo. Ayan, wala nang traffic. Hopefully wala nang traffic dito. Ang ganda dito. Next thing naman na hanapin natin parking. Ayan yung beach. Maluluba Beach, right, Han? Ganda. Oh, nakapag-walking sila. We're not gonna go shopping sa. Oh, ang daming. Oh, dyan where? Where? We can, yeah, find a parking and we can just walk around.
That's all I'm doing is get out.
Yeah.
Get out of the bloody car.
Hindi niya.
State player, SA.
Huh?
Full one.
See why you didn't wear your thing.
Yeah, I know.
May nakita rin siyang SA player. Kasi naka-ano, suot siya ng t-shirt na SA.
Hey, why are they wearing all that?
Because to represent your state, Zach. To let the people know that you are here to play.
Where's
That's
this
why you
bike
have
going?
just follow that guy. So yun nga lang, parking. Nahanap na natin yung gusto natin puntahan. Parking naman ang mall. Ang ganda, guys. Nice. Oh my god, Dehan, look at that. Ganda, ganda.
You gotta be bloody. It's not possible.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
That's what all the beeping is.
Nagbi-beep. You have to come here early. So we
Behind us, how's that?
Oh my god, na-sandwich tayo guys.
One
Naunahan
behind
tayo.
us and the one forward.
Sayang. Ganda na sana. Napapamura si Sir. Kasi mayroon pang
That is
park.
bullshit.
Tapos dun sa likod mayroon din umalis. So just slow down. Take your time. Para ayan, bye. Wala, tatlo guys. Hindi namin nakuha. Kasi nasaan mo lang sa gitna.
That is
tayo.
unbelievable.
Maybe go another round, Han.
That is unbelievable.
Oh, sayang yun. Just one more lap. Well, this is our first lap.
That is unbelievable. That is.
Hindi siya makapaniwala. Kung nakuha niya yun, we are so lucky. We are so lucky. But, ayan
Any
yung shop.
cars?
No, we're good here. Ayan yung shop ko. Ang ganda.
Three right around us.
Hindi pa rin siya tapos. Say 8 to 5 p.m. Careful. Alright, we're good.
What's Is that on the line?
Ako. Kuya, go out ko yan. Check please.
You're right.
Hindi man natin nakuha yung doon sa baba. Dito naman maganda. Mas maganda yung nakuha natin. Ayan lang yung shop. Tapos yung beach dyan lang. What's wrong, Baba? You're cold?
You're not cold, no.
Medyo may hangin kasing konti. Buti na lang nag-jacket tayo. Itong boys, ayan, ang ganda. Oh, so we can have lunch later here. Yeah, later. I don't think so. We have to leave. Because we cannot find parking, huh? Ayan yung car natin, guys. Now we're just gonna go walk. Let's go here.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Where you got going?
We're just gonna go around there. Come on. Here, come on. What we gonna do there? My, huh?
I need a hat.
Excuse me. Ang laki ng problema niya kasi naiwan niya yung hat niya sa car. Tapos si daddy sabi, may rip curl dyan. Bili ka na lang. Naiinis ako kasi mayroong ang dami niya ng hat.
The hair's not even. And then I got everything Rip Curl on.
Whatever. So,
Rip Curl socks.
ang ganda dito, guys. May hangin lang. Kung walang hangin, ang ganda. Hindi ka lalamigin. Yung hangin lang kasi talaga nakakapalamig. Kailangan kong mag barefoot. Barefeet. Nag-squirt kasi tong sand. Naririnig niyo? Oh yeah! Sa ano din, sa Surfers Paradise, ginawa rin nila to 3 years ago. Right, Papa?
Yeah, look, Mushy's in the sea.
Explore na tayo dito. Dito yung mga souvenirs kung gusto yung bumili. Full na yung aking phone. Let me see yan. Looks nice. Magsusukat din siya. On a break, sabi ko, huwag kami mag-shopping. Pero wala eh. Ayun si Jan, tumitingin din. Ayaw ng boys ipatry kay daddy yung denim. Sabi, no dad, no. Gusto niyo makiuso kay Sake. Try it, Han. Tingnan niyo si kuya. No dad, no. Why you don't want daddy to watch? Justin Bieber guy. Ayaw ni kuya kasi baka raw it's gonna be look like Justin Bieber guy. He's like, that's good. Hanap talaga siya ng size niya. Gusto niya mag-try talaga. Yung dalawa, ayaw. Yeah, you do. Let me see, huh? It looks nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah.
That's 36.
Yeah, it's alright. That's nice, huh? 36.
Just grab the 34.
34. Just wear like that t-shirt. Yeah. The boys don't want you to wear.
Grab the 34.
Yung boys ayaw, si Holly gusto. Ayan, Zach. Kinuha niya si dating 30, size 34. Gusto ni daddy maging trendy. That one looks nice. Yeah, that one is good. It's more relaxed. Yeah. Yeah, Holly got rip curl. Meron ito si Holly. Man. You want that one? It looks nice.
It's $100.
Yeah, it looks nice. That? Ah, you want bigger size? What size? That looks nice too, hon.
Yeah, they're a little bit.
Tight.
I'll double check for you, see if I've got it in here.
Ayan, babayaran niya na yan. Tapos pinatanggal niya na yung tag. Kasi yan na raw isusuot niya. Wow, my love. Oh, wow, my love. Look nice.
Have you got a bag? I'm gonna buy that.
That? Nawi-weirdan si Sak. Oh, nawi-weirdan si Sak. Nag-go off. Ano yun? Teka, tanggalin niya yung wallet niya kasi super bulky niya na tingnan.
You've got one.
Wow, look at daddy. Trendy.
Summer and you're gonna grow.
Get a
And you've got
bigger.
that other jacket you never wear.
Kasi patapos na yung winter namin. Winter jacket kasi to.
Thongs.
You used to...
Would be too small.
The reef one.
That was
Dad,
size 10.
you look weird.
Cool,
Wait,
mate.
what
It's
size?
yellow.
No, what size are your socks?
Yellow socks.
What size are your socks?
Thumbs up kay Holly.
11?
11. No, they're all. Huh? Those so big too, mate.
There was one I saw.
Si Kuya, concerned na rin siya sa mga price kasi nasa 200 plus. So, yung, ayaw niya nang sukatin. Sabi ni daddy niya, sukatin mo na. Daddy said you can try it on now. Why? Oh, too much daw sabi ni Kuya.
$100.
No, I thought it looked at 100, but it was 250 bucks.
Ayaw niya na. 250 bucks na raw. Ayaw niya. Ah, yun na si daddy. Ah, ayan na. Wala na talaga. Nag-shopping na sila. You got that one? Yeah. Can you get... Ako gusto ko rin yung white. Siya gusto niya rin white. Yeah, I do like... Yeah, nice white. You get that blue one.
I don't know that.
Get a blue one.
Hindi to outlet. Full ano to, full price talaga dito. No, it's small, yeah. You have to get small, not extra small. Oh, wala. Matipid to. Ayaw niya. Ayaw yung pagastusin si daddy and mommy. No, 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 don't poke me with that one. What's that?
For some reason I'm tired.
Pagod ka kasi kulang ka sa tulog. Kunti lang yung tulog niya eh. 2:30 siya natulog eh. 2 to 3 na. Ano? It's small? Go, try. Yeah, you look nice. It looks nice yan. Ayan daw. Gusto niya white. Ang dami niya ng white. I like that too. No, there's embroidered.
No, that one.
It looks big though.
Is that small? Ay, maganda.
What's Holly?
Here, Holly's here. Siko, may titingnan na naman dun. Let me see. What size is that one? Why? What size? Oh. Ayaw niya.
Oh, but then
Si Sak mag-try. Go this way, Sak, kuya. Yeah. What size is that one? That's alright. That's alright. It's alright. Yeah, that's alright. That's good. Stink again. Yeah, it is. Ang ganda ng area, mag-shopping. Hindi lang yung view ang ma-enjoy mo, pati yung kanilang mga paninda kasi ang gaganda. Eto, ang daming nakuha ni John.
Got a lot of arms.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. That's good size.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, go. Small, just get small one. Are you gonna swap it? That one. Alright. We're done. Gutom na.
Dad.
I know, right? We're just getting hot. That's it. But look at you, all of you. That's sila. Except kami ni Holly, walang kinuha. But that one looks nice on you, hon. I haven't seen you wearing denim shorts, huh? Because you never had one. Nah. Jeans, yeah, but denim shorts na. No, Holly's alright, but wag na si Holly. Holly gets a lot. I got her last time. Where was it, Baba? Zara. Yeah, Rip Curl. That was sa ano naman, yung holiday namin, Caravan Life.
Yes, they're
Yeah.
in there.
No
Yeah,
worries.
they'll probably be at the bottom.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you.
Have a lovely day, guys. Enjoy
See
your
ya.
holiday. See ya.
Never walk again.
Cake like Rip Kill girl.
Ay, yeah. Pakat na yan. Yan lang dapat ang bibilhin eh.
That one's all yours there.
Thank you. See ya. Yeah, put that in the car, Han. Yung hot lang talaga ang bibilin. Tingnan nyo, paglabas isang bag ang dala. Sa kanilang tatlo lang. Hanap na kayo makakainan. Yes, thank you. So wala pa kami nahanap na makakainan. Ang ganda talaga ng view dito, guys. So, favorite na character ng kapatid ko na si Yung Bicolana, yan si Stitch. Mayroon sila dito. Si Sak dito siya. Alright, it's alright, yeah. Sushi si Saki boy. Oh yeah, this is nice. You want this one? Yeah. Rice bowl crispy chicken.
Oh, there's rice in it.
Yeah. And then seaweed salad. Pwede palang i-grab dito. Pa-free taste sila dito sa Bella Venetia Italian, huh? No, I don't have mine. I have card. Siya ng pizza, Supreme. Si Kuya kumuha na lang din the same kay Sak. Okay. You can just share?
Yep.
Okay. I think 10 it's alright, yeah.
The 10 will do.
Okay.
And then give me the 10.
Alright. Kumakain yung mag-ama ko doon. Dito tayo. Pasok tayo dito sa Sunglass Hut. Tingin-tingin. Dito na pala ako sa car and si Jan umalis lang saglit. Nandito siya kanina din. Kuha lang siya ng medicine for Holly. She's not feeling well. Di ba kanina okay pa siya? Ang energetic niya pa kanina nagbo-vlog siya. Nag-get ready with me. Ngayon, hindi siya happy. Ha? Masakit daw ulo niya. Ayun, kumain. Kasi hindi siya masaya. Kasi siguro kulang talaga yung tulog niya. Kasi, you know why? Because you slept really late last night. Like, past 2. Baka nga alas 3 na yun eh.
In my nose.
Ha?
I'm blowing out hot.
I cannot hear you.
I'm blowing out hot air out my nose.
You're blowing hot air from your nose.
I think everyone does that, Holly.
Fuck, just shoes. Wala pa akong kinain. Kumakain tayong ice cream. Pero nag-take away ako ng sushi. Kung saan kumain sila sa palobat din ako. Oh my God, Holly. I hope you will be okay. I don't want you to get sick, Holly. Ngayon ka pa talaga magkakasakit kung kailan tayo merong ganap bukas. Diba? Okay naman yung kanina. Ang happy-happy niya. Nilibot nga siya ni Jan para magpili sila ng pagkain. Ayaw niya. Away from Sak. Please, when you cough. Don't get sick. Gusto kumain ng ng chicken karagi. Mayroong chicken karaging binili. Kaso ito, magme-melt. Dito na sila. Come on, Holly. Get up now, Holly.
There was no cookies and cream.
Oh, binala ni Kuya ng cookies and cream si Holly. Oh, yan na. Ice cream lang pala. Ayan, meron siyang
I
Eurofin.
got mango and lemon sorbet.
Oh, wow. That's big,
I got
Kuya.
a big cup. Can I try lemon?
That's
What's the
big.
top one?
You think you can finish it yet? I don't think so. Too big. I bought you this one, Han. What? Look what?
I look the best.
You look the best? What do you mean?
Oh, look at me.
Oh.
Dad looks like weird.
See, Sakura said you look weird. No, that looks good. Yeah,
But he explained right very well. That's just why don't we don't give their personal details to you? I'm sorry. That's
Ayaw niya daw ibigay ang personal details niya. Parang ewan daw. Ang vibes niya parang Surfer's Paradise, right? Huh? The vibe is like,
oh yeah.
parang ganun na ganun lang din.
Could have just stayed apartments like this.
Then why didn't we?
Yeah. Kasi may mga apartment. Oh, man, why we didn't?
Use the left lane to
But Sak likes where we stay now.
I thought it was going to be way bigger. Our house.
Yeah, it looked bigger. Like, how many rooms there was?
There's all apartments everywhere.
Ayan na. Ay, pwede pa. Hindi ako binigyan ni ate ng chopstick.
I'm gonna get some protein shakes.
Ayan yung karagi natin.
Geez, that stinks.
Nababawan siya. Suot mo?
Imagine putting me Nikes on, tie on with me pants like this.
You didn't bring it.
Nah, should have.
The grey one.
The white ones.
Are you gonna wear it tomorrow?
Dad, there's a new map in Gold Clash.
New map.
Okay, dito na tayo. Palobat na ako, guys. Tapos yung extra battery ko, lobat din. Hindi ko dinala yung isa, yung bago natin. Hindi ko dinala. So, shopping lang tayo, grocery. See you later pag nalobat to. But ito yung loob ng kanilang shopping center. Hanapin natin yung Coast. Nagiging masaya ito si Jan kasi may Baker's Delight. Babe! Favorite niyang bakery. Kasi sa Yamba walang Baker's Delight eh. Tayo sa Coast. Here. Tinipid ko yung battery. Ayan, tapos na tayo. Naka-charge kayo dito eh. Lapit natin ang konti.
Oh, why couldn't I put that massive TV in there in here?
Why are you doing that?
There's a massive TV.
Oh, yeah, you put in the bread.
Dad.
And
Where's the camera? Dad. I'm gonna go.
Can I have this?
energy ninyo.
Would that be a thing?
Huh? Yeah, wait. How much? Sus, baka mahulog kayo. Yeah, matutulog si Holly kasi pulang talaga siya sa tulog. Gusto niya matulog.
Where's the non-stop?
Eggs, we got eggs.
Oh, it's orange.
We do.
No, I can feel orange.
And then crumpets. Now you have to eat this one now.
Not now.
Oh,
After.
okay.
Just did it. And put
Then
them
it's the
rolled
other.
out so they go soft.
So 1 scoop. I'll do it aside because you're gonna.
Do the other thing.
This one.
Need the medicine. Oh, that'll be alright, Jack. That'll get you going, boy.
Instead of Powerade, itong pinakuha ko sa kanya kasi pwede sa kanyang age. Tapos last 25% of sugar. Yeah, because electrolyte.
Try to get it cold when you taste it cold.
No, it's alright. Try.
Just put it down because it helps you. Don't sniff it, just drink
Yeah.
it. Told you not to drink like that.
Ano?
No, I wanted to get all that stuff.
Yeah, that's too right.
Ay, bakit naman to lumalapit sa akin? Ano,
Right.
good?
Just get it cold. It tastes very cold.
Okay. Got donuts? Lagyan natin yan dito. Hindi maayos ang ating angle kasi inaano ko yung cord ng ating.
Zach, be quiet. Holly's having a sleep.
Yeah. Meron tayong dill. And fennel. At magsasalad ako. Ito yung favorite kong salad. Then meron tayong lemon. Isa lang binili ko. Then dalawang green apple. Or Smith. Granny Smith.
We got your name on it? No.
No.
How you gonna know it's yours?
We can put. And bumili sa na protein smoothie, banana. Banana, honey, and cinnamon. How many did you get sa and meron tayong golden daytime?
There's the password, right? Zach, password.
Okay. We got
There you go,
potato
Wi-Fi
salad.
password, Daddy.
Potato salad. Fridge lang.
Wi-Fi password.
And chocolate. Meron tayong
Yan.
caramello and snack. Fridge. Angel slice. Who wants this? 6 angel slice. Isa sa mga anak ang kumuha nito. And idamami sa ating, ilagay ko lang ito kasi gagamitin ko na yan. Mild Hungarian salami, sausages. Diretso na sa ref. Di ba? Hindi na mahirap. Sliced cheese, yung Vega, and leg ham. Oh, this one's broken, ha? There's one, may broken na ano. Ano ba yan yung divider? And white magnum. Who got this one on you?
Right.
The magnum, and that's it.
Look.
Oh, where did you get the pen?
Yeah, look, got it.
Oh, we got mga kapala, guys. There's ito. Another, may bag pang isa doon. So, kumuha si Sak ng 4 to, ininom niya na yung isa. Sila ni Kuya. And kumuha ko ng Sandwich bag. Pythons. This is not pythons. Big red frogs. Salt and pepper. For sure, mayroon yan dito. Pero hindi natin alam kung gaano ka-old na yun. At those shapes, yung bacon. And then, crackers, salt and pepper. Ito lang kina yung ano? Snacks, Coke. Who got this one? I got a lot of this one. Who got this one? Rexon, madami ako dito sa bahay. Nag-stock ako dito para sa kanila. Tomato sauce. And kumuha lang maliit na olive oil. Extra virgin coconut. Extra virgin olive oil. Kailangan ko ito matulog.
What?
Huh?
What's that?
This one. Who got this one?
Say, Jack.
I got a lot of this at home.
You made one now.
What did you tell me?
Incorrect password.
Oh, incorrect yung password mo. Okay. This is heavy. Lahat ko, ano ni dyan? Coffee. Butter. Okay. All coffees. Meron tayong ganito and meron tayong 2 liters.
You've got to copy that exactly the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, how come it's not? I've done the
And ito yung mango orange na Mildura juice. So meron silang pa-water na dito. Pero meron tayo dyan. Ito lang kinuha niyang chips. So wala tayong snacks, ha? Hindi kasi ako masyadong kasama sa car kasi iba rin yung pinuntahan ko. I knew it.
Some noodles. Something else I just left it there.
Yeah, hindi namin kasi ito chinek.
Spray, oil. Look at all the oil.
Oh, I know. We got lots of
Pepper and salt. Origami.
Oh.
Toothpicks. I was thinking that when I was there.
I knew it, that there's
If we
some...
didn't get any, they would have bloody
Gonna go back. I know. So, meron ng salt and pepper. Okay. Kaya kinuha namin yung malit ng na oil. Ayan pala, meron. Ayan, oh, look. Extra virgin olive oil. Oh, diba? Caramelized balsamic pang salad to. May Chinese. Oh. Vinegar, salt. Oh, diba? So, add collection na lang to. Kuya, there's a lot of olive oil here. Spray oil. Salt. Bacon.
Noodles.
No, you're not having that one. Excuse.
If only emergency.
Non-emergency. No.
Only if I get like really...
Hi, come and help me. We put this one there.
Wi-Fi.
So this is the this is the front hand. And they also have Kellogg's.
Is that going for a swim?
I don't know. Yeah, ituturo ko pa pala kayo sa sa ating pool.
No.
Pala yung itsura ng ating fridge. Puno ng water. And yung dalawang boys, magsi-swimming. Ito pala yung pool. Ito yung outside. Ayan yung pool. Pang Olympics. The Holy said Olympics pool because it's a long one. Yeah, you look nice, babe. Yeah, guwapo. Ayan. Ayan. Tamang tampisaw ka lang dito.
That's heating up.
Yeah, heated pala to. Ayan yung pag-garden dito.
20.8 now, Zach. 20 bucks.
20 laps. Yeah, practice, Zach. Don't jump, okay?
It's not 20 degrees.
It is.
No, it's not.
It was 14 this morning.
Well, it's not 20.
So just don't turn off on that. Okay.
Because I think